Today, we will be discussing how to convert a Series 20000 hand crank reel into a motorized reel. Begin by locating the snap ring on the handle. Using snap ring pliers, carefully remove the snap ring. Then, remove the handle. Make sure to reapply the snap ring onto the innermost groove on the shaft. Take the motor adapter from the motor kit and slide it into place. Once the adapter is secured, align the motor with the adapter and slide the motor onto it. Align the holes at the base of the reel so that it lines up with the holes on the motor mounting plate. Secure it using the supplied hardware. Last, connect the motor to a 12-volt DC power source, ensuring it's protected by either a 20-amp fuse or a circuit breaker. Now you're ready to use your Series 20000 motorized hose reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.